First thing is, in order to produce certain things, we need what? Design. In order to use certain things, we need what? Design. In order to construct certain things, we need what? Design. So, various means we can do the design. Got it? So, design is the very core area. Okay. For example, if our design design, I have created certain design. The first phase is a produce. Correct? That make எப்படி மேக் பண்ண போறோம் raw materials use பண்ணி transport பண்ணி we are going for the manufacturing till such time we are under the head called produce பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறமே அதை transport பண்ணி நம்ம எங்க போறோம் construction field க்கு போறோம் ரைட் இப்போ ஒரு ஸ்டீலை நான் ஃபேப்ரிகேட் பண்ணிட்டு நான் எங்க மூவ் பண்றேன் construction site க்கு போயிட்டு I am doing the installation work we have to do the dismantle. Again, this has to send it to the waste management. The waste management, they are doing so many process. For your information, in our triangle, if you have a pen or if you have water bottle, whatever it may be, at the bottom, if you triangle bottle, that's a number bottle. It is a waste management. That's a numbering. That number is very, very important. So how many times you can reuse that one? Reuse again we have to categorize. After that, again it will be used as a raw material. Now, this is the entire life cycle of a particular product. Do you understand? How is it clear? It is very clear, right?